My customer needed a Google spreadsheet that would reformat raw COVID-19 data once every day. The customer wanted columns 4 and 5 from the raw data placed in the finished product. In the raw data, column 4 has the daily COVID case count for each specific state. Column 5 has the daily COVID death count for each specific state. The finished product horizontally pivots the column 4 and 5 raw data, placing the correct numbers on the first tab below the correct columns for the correct states. Those columns look jagged because the software shows daily numbers for each state starting on the day those states pass 100 cases. We'll ignore the phase that deletes data for states with less than 100 cases and the phase that builds tabs 1 and 3 backups. Each day, the user places new data on the Scratchpad tab, tab 5. The Update Data Sheets menu item launches the software. The original data started out of order and offset starting at row 2. This Google Apps Script software handles those problems. First, the software pivots the data on the Scratchpad tab to get it ready for transfer to tabs 1 and 3. It then automatically places the cleaned data on tab 1 at the correct target row. Next, it automatically places the cleaned data on tab 3 at the correct row. Finally, the software pulls the new tab 3 data up to the existing data, removing blanks and preserving the tab data format. The software runs well within the Google Apps Script time limits, and we can see that it works perfectly. This demo shows the high quality and high efficiency and high performance of the Google Sheets software that I build. The software levers Google Sheets formulas, cell addresses, and the Google Apps Script programming language to make this possible. Do you like this? I can build high-quality Google Sheets and Google Apps Script software just like this for you. These products will solve problems and squeeze value from your existing spreadsheet resources. Reach out to me at Upwork. Let's get to work.